Hello my crafty friends, this is Monica from Allsewpetite. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to make a one-piece adjustable strap that you can add to any of your bags. If this is something you would like to learn, then keep on watching. To make a one-piece adjustable strap, you would need a fabric of your choice. I am using this lightweight waterproof canvas today. You might want to fuse some woven interfacing to the back of the fabric, especially if you are working with a lightweight fabric or fabric that has a tendency to stretch or fray a lot. Another option is to add a fusible fleece for padded comfort, especially on more wider straps. You will also need your favorite marking tool, 2 swivel hooks and 1 strap adjuster. This is optional, but I like to add rivets for extra security, so I will also need a hole puncher and also a hand press to set my rivets. A double-sided tape and clips are great to hold the fabric in place. Seam repair in case if something goes wrong. A hump jumper is also useful to help sewing those bulky seams. And you also need a ruler to take some measurements. From your fabric, cut 1 long strip. I prefer my straps to be at least 150 centimeters long, which is the width of my fabric. But if you have a narrow fabric, then you can cut multiple pieces and join them together. The width of your strip will be determined not only how wide you want your strap to be, but also on the size of the hardware you are using. I am using 19mm hardware today, and my strip of fabric is 7.5 centimeters wide, which is 4 times the size of my hardware. If you don't know the size of your hardware, just measure the inner width, then you can cut your fabric 4 times wider. On the wrong side of your strap, draw a line in the center. Then you can press both longer edges towards that line. If you are working with a fabric that is difficult to press, such as cork or vinyl, then you can use double-sided tape and apply it on each side of the line along the entire strap. When you are ready, you're going to fold the strap right sides together and line up both folded edges. Hold it with a clip and you can stitch the short end 1 centimeter from the edge. Then repeat on the other side. Now you can trim the seam allowance by half. Turn the strap end right side out and make neat corners. After that, you can line up those folded edges, but make sure to keep the seam allowance inside. Clip it along the entire strap length. Now you can take the strap to the machine and top stitch along all sides, about 2 mm from the edge. After you top stitch the strap, take your strap adjuster and then we're going to wrap one end of the strap around the middle bridge. Fold it about 3 to 4 centimeters, clip it, and then you can stitch a box at the short end. Also stitch across in the center or install a rivet. Once you are ready, take one of the swivel hooks and fit the other end of your strap. You have to make sure that the right side of the strap is on the same side as the swivel hook and the folded shorter end is at the back. Untangle your strap because we're going to fit the other short end through the strap adjuster. First time we have done it this way, and now we are going to do it in an opposite direction. Just like that. Now you can take the other swivel hook and wrap the loose end of your strap around it. Again, you can measure about 3 to 4 centimeters and hold it with clip. Double check if your strap is not twisted. Then you can stitch a box on the short end. Your strap is completed. You can adjust the length and attach it to your back. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one. See you next time. Stay crafty, friends.